Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You see your girl Benny of Benny's Kitchen. Hope you guys are doing so great. So you can see these lovelies on my baking tray. They are beef rolls. You can see how the inside is looking with a lot of sausage inside. Not at the gala they sell now that you don't have anything inside. Guys, they are so yummy. When my kids were much younger, this doesn't last 5 minutes on my baking tray. They love it so much. And if you have little kids now, you can as well make it for them and put in their lunch boxes when they're going to school. Or if you want to start a business, you can just make this thing, know the cost effect when you start a business with it. While I can't just wait to start eating this. So guys, if you want to know or if you want to see how I made it with all instructions and everything, watch this video to the end, and I'm going to leave my details in the description box. So let's get baking. So guys, for our beef rolls, we'll be using some sausages. This is the sausage I'm going to be using. You can get this to buy in any big shop, wherever that is close to you. So what we're going to do with these sausages now is for us to season it. For the seasoning, I'll be using some curry powder, black pepper, salt, thyme, and ginger. So I'll just add everything in here like so. Then I'll be adding just this egg. It's like 2 tablespoons of egg here. This will help it to hold very well. And when that is done, you now combine everything together. So just combine like this. We have to combine very well so every part of this beef will have its flavor. On with this, what I'm going to do now is to now work on the dough. So for the dough, we're working with just 4 ingredients. So now I'll sieve in the flour. Like I said, always sieve your flour because of weevil or any lump. So I'm done sieving. For your dough to have some flavor, I'll be adding cinnamon and I'll adding some baking powder. Do not add too much baking powder, just little. Use your hands to combine very well. If you don't combine, then you have some flavors in some parts and the others don't have. So just stir it very well. Then when this is done, you bring your margarine or butter. I'll be using margarine for this. So you combine everything again until it is like breadcrumbs. So this is what we have. Everything is well combined. So you make a well at the middle and start adding your water gradually. I have 400 ml here. By the time I'm done, I'll know how many ml of water I use. Just be adding the water gradually so you don't overpour in water, so you don't spoil the dough. And for this, you do not need kneading, just be mixing it gently. Form this to a dough until you don't have any crumb that is falling apart. You can see how I'm trying to fold it in gently. That is where you have to do it. It doesn't need too much kneading. It has formed a dough. You can see there's no crumb left. And it's not sticking. So this is what we are looking for. So you are free to start rolling. So on your work surface, you sprinkle some flour. You have different methods of rolling this. I'll be showing you 2 methods that you can use to roll your beef roll, and it depends on how long you want it, the size you want. You can do it any size that you want. So now I'm going to be cutting it into shape. So you get your beef or your sausage, you now line it. You have to be a bit generous so it doesn't look like the gala they sell nowadays. When we were kids, we enjoy gala because of the plenty meat in it, but now when you buy, it's just ordinary flour that you have. So we're using some egg wash. This is just egg and some water. This is to cover it so it doesn't open. So when this is done, you now start rolling. And you can see my rolling, it is not too fat. It's a bit thin. So at this point, I'll use some egg wash for it to seal everything. It acts as the sealant. So you now keep rolling until it locks. So this is what we have. So I'll get my knife and I'll cut. You can cut it to be too long, you can cut it to be short. We'll just be having the long ones. If you want it to be equal, you measure with the first one. So this is what we have. So my tray is ready. I'll be using this baking tray. I've already added some butter on it and I'll sprinkle some flour. This will enable it not to stick to the pan when it is ready. So just lift it up like this and then you add it here and then you continue. So now I'll show you the other method you can use to unfold yours. So the other method is that you cut them like this, cut them into bits. Take one at a time and then you roll. Place it on the other one. You do this because you want to have an equal size. So now you trim. You want this mix, you get your sausage and then you add. Get your egg wash, then you seal it up. Get the next one. You can see with this second method I used that they are equal and they are of the same length. So you can use this if you are selling and you want to get an equal size. So you now take it to the baking tray. So my people, this is what we have. If you want to put designs on them, you can put them. If you want to leave it plain like this, you can. Incision like using your knife or finger cutter to put this kind of incision like this, or you can use your fork to just fork it like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this. Now what we are going to do is to use our egg wash so that it will be so shiny after it's baked. So you can see these 6 I have, those are the second method I used. And these 2 was the first method I used. So anyone that is suitable for you, you can use. This is so easy to make and it doesn't take time to bake. In 5 to 30 minutes you are done. So the oven is preheating now. I'm going to be baking on medium heat so it doesn't get burnt. So now I'll take them into the oven and let it start baking. So guys, after 30 minutes in the oven, this is the beauty, or these are the beauties that we have. You can see how fine they are looking. So now you can see the back. You see here, just so okay. Wow, it's still very hot. You can see the inside filled with sausages, unlike the gala we have now that you don't find anything inside. It's looking yummy and I know it's going to be tasting so yummy. So guys, if you have watched me up to this moment, I say thank you so very much. Keep watching and keep liking my videos until I see you next time. Bye bye.